So I have a plan in mind of what to do for this video, but all I need is just a couple more shots, or just shots in, if anything for that matter, of well, water that sprays up. But it's actually much harder than you think. I got the perfect day for it all the way back in winter, and like ever since then I haven't had the proper time or right weather conditions, etc. to get those videos. But today is just one of those days where it is sunny all day, it is busy, and someone is destined to drown, man.
So, elaborating on the plan, the whole purpose of the 2 following days you're about to see was to capture the water spray up at Sorrento Back Beach for an explanation video. That evening you're about to see, I tried again, and still wasn't good enough. Alternatively, I decided to turn this video into a simple first day of 2025.
Exposure value compensation, I gotta put it down because there's so much white water, I'll be blinding it basically. I'm also going to take this off because I'm most likely going to get knocked over where I go. Being prepared to get knocked over because I'm going to try to film just a couple of nice shots of the water. So this is the first time I'm filming 2025, so it's you know, big deal. I need to get into the habit of a couple of things, couple of little goals. One, I normally take my glasses off when I talk because I feel like I just look better without them, but I feel like it doesn't matter. 2, I need to get into the habit of putting on the screen the tide and the swell, just a bit more information. But other thing as well, I'll mention eventually, but mate, it's scary. I've already been warned twice not that tide's coming in. I'm aware, yes, but okay, we're gonna suss it out first.
Along with all that, the main subject of this video is about the first area I ever explored when I first visited this part of the coast, which are these seaweed rocks. These act as a barrier against the waves, so where I'm standing is a lot less dangerous than it could be. Even when the tide is in, they become an underwater breakwater, if you know what that is. But on days like these, it's hard to tell what's going on or anything because of how much white water there is, just like I mentioned before. Speaking of white water, because it's so bright, it messes with the exposure. You can notice every time a wave passes, the sky dims.
Honestly, when I think about it, so much is happening at the start of last year that is happening now again. A heat wave in January, I think in January. Swimming in this rock pool in front of me right here with nearly the exact same tide and that, except the waves are much more stronger. So just a bit of deja vu, I guess, except it's not deja vu, it's the exact same thing happening. God, bad timing, goodness.
I haven't used it in ages, but I was using the GoPro hand grip. Meanwhile, in this video I also used it. Along with that, I stayed the night during the weekend with the heat wave. All the same with this video again. I took the GoPro in the rock pool in front of me, as you're about to see. All the same with this video yet again. What a coincidence. Only difference is that was recorded in March, but this video was in January. For now, I stood behind the rock pool so the wave had less energy to knock me over. Good survival tip if you do get in a situation like this. I went for a swim, letting the current push me just in case I did somehow get knocked in by a rogue wave. Then the biggest one came straight after that.
That is a big wave. Wave did nearly get the better of me, and it's been a long time now. It is starting to heal, but I'm still using physio to work on my arm. I actually haven't talked about it on this much before, but I did actually end up getting a labral tear a long time ago. Not a long time ago, but about a year ago, I'll say. And what's happened is I've had surgery about, I can't tell you when, not recently, but kind of recently, but it's healed it's healed now, it's getting healed. As the wave came, I put this arm down stupidly, and the water was pushing on it, and I started getting worried. I thought something was going to happen, but it was alright. But as I speak, there's a Westpac helicopter. Yeah, it's just circling. I'll try and get my phone out and film, because there's no way you guys are going to see it on the GoPro.
Dried off and set foot on this rock to watch the white water again, which was even stronger as the tide was almost full.
My God. Ah. the water's starting to get a bit glassy. So it's actually really nice. So it's getting better. So the winds have just all of a sudden dropped like really quickly. So it's good as I'm happy. I'm happy with that. But yeah, a couple of people think I'm stuck up here, which it does look like I am.
In the evening I attempted to get the videos I wanted, but like mentioned before, they flopped again.
Today is one of those days where it is super trophy, and I think I can safely say today is the last day I'm going to be filming here. I know I've said that multiple times in clips I'm not going to include, me thinking I had the best day and realizing I still needed to get more, but I think today is the day.
So once again, all that talk about how that was the last day, well it isn't. I still need to go there again. However, the water still displayed really good examples of rising up and down with the trough that I keep talking about, so there's no complaining.
And it's very trophy, you can see the water rises up and down, especially, by the way, I'm not actually going to go there, it's too dangerous, especially swimming across here. Just got wet. God damn it. Look at that, man. Look how low it is. So the water just shot up from there. So that kind of resembles a similar thing as over there.
And it was a very nice sunset with the waves, and I ended up spending the night in the car.
So this is what it's like to be here in the morning. I didn't get much sleep last night, so I'm pretty tired. But I should have gotten up a bit more earlier. But yeah, it's good, honestly. It's really nice. So today's going to be, what, 37, I think? I have to leave early because I'm going to work, but I was just in that rock pool. I saw a massive school of fish, and I am so spewing. Like, the GoPro isn't working. I would have gone in, I was going to go in there and film with the GoPro. Like, I was going to, but I couldn't because it's stuffed. And I saw the massive school of actually big fish. And I was shocked because I didn't expect to see anything. Quite a lot of flaws with this GoPro. Like, there's a lot of issues. Like, the GoPro housing, the little door, now it's not coming off because the battery wasn't probably put in right. It's just, yeah, I'm not too pleased with it, that's all.
It is honestly so refreshing swimming there in the mornings, but as said, all that happened with the GoPro was the waterproof door was stuck on and sticking out because the battery wasn't incorrect. Here is the Seaweed Rocks more exposed, and where I'm standing was exactly where I was the first time I was here. We caught a ferry from Port Lauderdale to Sorrento 2nd of January 2023, and here is that day. The whole time I was speechless and realised there is so much more to discover. Even though I wanted, I didn't end up going much during 2023, only a handful of times. But way back at the start of 2023, I didn't really have that filming for YouTube mindset, and you can definitely tell how unstable I kept the phone.
Oh my god. Holy shit. It goes all the way. Holy shit. Holy shit. Uh-oh.
But all in all, this year, 2025, starting off strong, and I mean that literally. But that's all folks. Thanks for watching.